Alright, so we're back today. The thing about Eller's truck, we gotta get pulled out. Did you change the sensor?
I replaced the oil galley plug from behind the back of the engine. Replaced this one with a billet aluminum one.
So what's the process now? What did you end up finding out whenever you pull the trans?
Well, we pulled the transmission. Of course, it had the original one in there, but then yet again, I found like a bolt loose on the back cover. Somebody's been there before.
Golly.
I thought this would help by replacing it. Oil pressure is a lot higher right now, so I don't know. I mean, it's at 60 psi from 30 the other week.
Dang.
So this apparently it did something. So I'm just gonna take the valve covers off and make sure we're getting oil pressure at the top of the head.
Sounds good.
The oil.
Alright, gonna start the truck.